Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're putting another air compressor here in our enclosed trailer that we race out of. We got the door taken off one of the cabinets so we can put it in. First one we got here is a McGraw 3-gallon air compressor. Let's get it unboxed and check it out and see if you should buy a Harbor Freight air compressor. Let's get it out the box. Spin her around here and check her out. 110 max PSI, 3-gallon, 0.6 SCFM at 90, 1/3 horsepower, oil free. Alright, what we're fixing to do is we're fixing to plug it up and see how quiet we think it's going to be for in the trailer. Alright, we got her plugged up. Let's see how loud it is. Oh my goodness, y'all. This is unreal how loud it is. Let me see if I can find something to see, a decimeter, see how loud this thing really is. I'm bringing y'all up here so y'all can see this and hear it for yourself. That sucker sounds like it's turning 20,000 RPMs. So I am thinking it's way too loud to use. Okay, we're gonna cut straight to the chase here. The McGraw come from Harbor Freight. It's way too loud. I just downloaded a decimeter on my phone to show you. The Harbor Freight said it'll be 20% restocking fee. I've never heard of such. But at any rate, we went to Walmart and bought a Goodyear. We're gonna see what the difference is in the loud. Here's a sound level meter, decimal meter. Let's get up here and check them out. Make sure y'all can see both. Alright. Alright, 108's the highest I've seen on that one. I think 93 was the highest I saw on that one. Now, I don't know how much difference that is on a computer scale and all this, but here to my ear, hearing it, it's a heck of a lot difference. So, and I think this one here was like $56 at Harbor Freight. This one was $70 at Walmart. And the one at Walmart came with air hose, air chuck, a couple different little doodads where the Harbor Freight one didn't. Let's see how loud that one is compared to this one. I saw 99 on my big one. Awesome. Alright, I hope that helps you out if you got to make a decision on buying your air compressor. If you're going to have it in a small area where you're going to have to be hearing and don't want to hear it that loud running all day, I would definitely stay away from the McGraw from Harbor Freight. And I'm saying that, and I have a bunch of Harbor Freight tools and stuff that we really enjoy using, but with a 20% restocking fee, there's no need in not being honest and putting them side by side and letting the people see the results for themselves. I appreciate each and every one of y'all for supporting us here at Gerraldfarms. Have a good one.